blew up the beaker bag, boop, and the bottom popped open. We're going to set that on a little tray. We're going to fill this with tap water. We just got this from a pitcher because we're on camera, and that is everything. Fill it up to about 4 inches. See the little line right here for 450? Right about there. Okay, now we're going to let that sit for 2 days. Ready? There's 1 day. 2 days have passed thanks to the magic of television. Now we're going to add the salts. Finn is opening the bag, and he's adding the salts into this. Okay? Yeah, perfect. Get it all in there. Now shake close this Ziploc here, and shaky. It closes just like that. Shake that down, get it all suspended, and then open the beaker bag back up. Why don't you go ahead and do that? Now add the algae right to there. You can give it another close. No, the algae. Raising children, right? Okay, close that right down. Zip like that closed again. And then slide your hand across the whole top. That'll make sure that it's all closed. Snap, I heard a little click. Now shake it again. Upside down, you can even do it. Here, we'll demonstrate how. All right, it's all shaken up. Now this is all ready to go. You have the everything in. So now we could even take our first seshi stick depth. I'm going to take the seshi stick, fold it on that little dotted line, and open it up. Look down inside, use your seshi stick, and give me a measurement, Buck.
It's Finn.
His name's
Buck.
Finn, but I call him Bucko. My great-grandfather used to call me Bucko. Where are we at?
We're at 70.
70. All right, there you go. Good starting point. That's how you set your kid up. It's pretty simple. Good job. Good job, you.
Nice job. Da-da-da-da-da-da.